fresh start to the day for much of England and Wales, where it's largely fine and dry. Scattered showers further north, but the outlook is turning more unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 2nd of...
Apart from the weather for Wimbledon and the Caribbean.
Yes, it's just getting worse. So yesterday I said that it was the first hurricane of the season, the earliest we've had a Category 4. These were the scenes when it moved through Barbados yesterday. Catastrophic storm. So it's heading its way westwards. There are warnings at the moment across Haiti and the Dominican Republic, but it has its sights set on Jamaica as a major hurricane from the middle of this week. It will easily bring down houses and trees that have winds of up to 160 miles an hour, waves of up to 5 feet, and a foot's worth of rain is set to fall. So things there are set to get a lot worse before they get any better. And that potentially could well impact our weather patterns as we head into next week, because those storms move their way up across America and then interact with the jet stream that then brings weather systems across our shore. So that's all to play for next week. But for today, it is one of sunshine and showers, but pretty mixed fortune. Showers most likely across the north, dry further south, but a fairly cool feel for many of us. Now, the latest satellite shows a fair bit of cloud, and the cloud thick through eastern areas this morning is where it's fairly damp and drizzly. Best of any brightness is out towards the west. Now, as we head through the day, it's Scotland, northern England, parts of Wales that see sunny spells and scattered showers. Elsewhere, we have a little bit of brightness around. So today, with light winds, and if you get that sunshine, temperatures between 16 and 20 degrees, so pretty much where it should be for the time of year, feeling pretty cool, especially compared to the heat wave we were in last week. Now, as we head through this evening and overnight tonight, we then see an actual proper weather front moving in, bringing with it cloud and rain, and this heralds a much wetter day for tomorrow. So tomorrow's cloudy and wet with rain for many. Yes, it's a cloudier start to the day for many of us, and the winds are coming from the north. So for Andy, who's in Norfolk, it's cloudy skies, grey, damp and drizzly, but things should brighten up later. A weather front moves in across the northwest later on. I'll have more of that in a moment. But if you are heading to Wimbledon or watching Wimbledon, today is a bit cloudier, chance of some drizzle, dry tomorrow and Thursday. Take a look at our outlook. So we have our conditions at the moment with low pressure moving in, high pressure dominated last week. It was the high pressure that brought the heat wave conditions. But low pressure brings with it cloud and rain and a much cooler trend. So first of all, our temperatures, the average line there in the middle, you can see pretty much below average as we head through the next 7 days across the north. Percentage chance of rainfall, we can see weather symbols nearly every single day show rain. So we have our rain and showers around today, further rain and showers tomorrow, lasting into the start of the weekend. It's Sunday that looks driest across the north. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures, first of all, the average line in the middle where it should be for the time of year, and we're pretty much round about it, so feeling cool, I think, compared to the heat of last week. And then hit and miss for the next few days. Today isn't too bad. Higher chance of seeing some wet weather for tomorrow. Again, hit and miss as we head through the weekend. Sunday is the driest day of the weekend. Well, thank goodness Glastonbury was last week, because the weather was fine. This week, not so much. It's looking cooler, cloudier, more unsettled with spells of rain. Today, the rain confined to the north mostly, with showers and rain later. The south is looking that bit drier, but a fresher feel first thing this morning. The satellite picks out a lot of cloud. It's thick through eastern areas of England, so good morning to you. A fairly mixed bag of weather across the country today. Rain through northern areas, also some showers. It is drier further south, but we have some thick cloud around. So the cloudy skies through eastern areas of England this morning, producing some outbreaks of drizzle. West is best when it comes to the bright skies and the sunshine. Now, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's a day of sunny spells and... Yes, mixed fortunes for the weather, not just today, as we head right through to the weekend for the big game on Sunday. But weather-wise today, it's showers and rain across the north. It is largely fine in the south. I say largely fine, not for everybody. We have cloudy skies in our satellite picture through eastern areas, that cloud thick enough to give some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. West is best when it comes to sunny skies. Now, through the day, it's Scotland and Northern Ireland that have sunny spells and some fairly isolated showers, but more persistent rain moves into northwest Scotland later. Brighter skies for northern England and North Wales by the afternoon. The Midlands sees some isolated showers, staying cloudy and grey for the southeast of England, cooler than it was yesterday, highs of 20.